Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment of chapter 5. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to click on enable editing so we can modify that instruction file. Then change its size so it must be visible to everyone. In today's video, we will discuss Exp25 Excel Chapter 5 ML2 apartments. We just increase its size and change its color so it must be visible to everyone. So, before going to solve this assignment step by step, let me move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today's assignment? In today's assignment, we have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. We have 19 questions. Then last one is a non-graded one in which we have to save, close, XP, Excel, chapter 5, ML2 apartment, then exit Excel, then submit file and get the score, okay? So we have 19 questions in today graded part. Let me start this assignment step by step. Remember that we are solving XP Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments, and here is project description. Always read project description so you will get idea what we have in today project, what we have to do. You manage several apartments for complex in Phoenix, Arizona. You created a dataset that lists detail for each apartment complex such as apartment number, include a number of bedrooms, whether the unit is returned or vacant, the last model, date, rent and deposit. You will use the dataset to aggregate data to analyze the apartment at complexes, okay? So all these are just simply instruction about the file, that what we have in today file, how we have to solve that one. We have to read project description. In this way we will get ideas, okay? Now I'm just moving to graded part. Let me start graded part step by step so you may follow me. You will get E grade 100% marks. Project steps to perform, and here is instruction. In question number 1, we have to start Excel, download, and then open the file. This one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. That is graded. Grader have automatically added your last name, means our last name is in the beginning of the file. So first of all, we will open our solution file. We got that solution file. Then we have to click on enable editing. So question number 1 is done, in which we have to open Excel file that we have downloaded from Pearson. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Before subtotaling the data, you need to sort the data. Okay, now we have to sort the data. So okay, there is something on my mobile. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, now we are just moving toward question number 2. Select the summary sheet. First we have to select the summary sheet. Yes. Then sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetic order. Then further sort it by the number of bedrooms from smallest to largest. So we have to click on there. Then there in home, there is in editing group, there is a sort option. We have to custom sort. First we have to sort that Sort the data by apartment. Yes, apartment complex. Then we have to sort the data by bedroom. So select next one, and there we use bed, and by bed that is smallest to largest. Okay, now simply press OK. So that will done. So question number 2 is done. Mean we are 5 marks till now. Okay. So question number 2 is done, and we have earned 5 marks. Now I'm just moving toward question number 3. So you want to use subtotal feature to display the average total cost by number of bedrooms for each apartment complex. That was just instruction about question number 3. Here is main part. Use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal rows by apartment complex to calculate the average total deposit. So, okay, so now we are just use subtotal feature to insert subtotal row by apartment complex to calculate average total deposit. So first we have to select this one, then click on data. What if sorry, then we have to click on outline, and there is a subtotal option. So now what we have to select, we have to select insert subtotal by apartment complex to calculate average total cost, average total deposit. So average total deposit apartment complex, then add a use feature to insert subtotal by apartment complex to calculate average of total deposit. Now here we have to use average of total deposit. Then there is one more option, add a second subtotal without removing first subtotal bad to calculate total deposit. Now we have to select bad. So outline subtotal, and then we have to select bad, same, yes. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, what we have done, in question number 3 we have to use a subtotal feature to insert subtotal row by apartment complex to calculate average total deposit. Then we have to add second subtotal without removing the first subtotal by bed to calculate average total deposit by number of bedrooms. Okay, so after solving question number 3 we earn 6 marks. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Now use outline symbol to display only 2 levels of subtotal row along with grand average. Okay, then create an automatic outline to collapse outline above total deposit. Now we have to first we have to in outline group and their auto outline. Close this one, then there and there grand average. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, we just earn 5 marks. Yes, total deposit we earn. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 5 after solving question number 4. You want to create a pivot table to determine the total monthly rental revenue for occupied department. Okay, so display the rental sheet and create blank pivot table on a new worksheet. Now we have to display rental sheet, and there we have to insert blank pivot table recommended pivot table, and there is blank pivot table option. Yes, then to left of rental. Okay, now we have to put that to left of our rental, mean we have to put that there. Okay, then now change the name of sheet to rental revenue. Simply copy this name from here, then double click on this sheet and paste that name there. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to rename the pivot table to rental revenue. Simply copy this rental revenue from here, then select this pivot table, and there is pivot table name, so we have to be that name there. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5, we have to display rental sheet and create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet. After creating that one, then we have to change the name of worksheet to rental revenue, then name the pivot table rental revenue. So question number 5 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 6. After solving question number 5, we get this result. Okay, so we earn 5 more marks or 5 more points. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Display the apartment complex and bed fields in a row and rental field as values. Now we have to display apartment complex. Here is apartment complex. This one, drag this one toward a row. Then rental price as a value. Where is our rental price? We have to find our rental price. Here is rental price. Drag this toward values. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to display the apartment complex and bed fields in the row and a rental price field as values. After solving this one, we earn 5 more points. So question number 6 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 7. In question number 7, we have to format the sum of rental price as accounting number format with a 0 decimal place, and then custom the names total rent calculated. Now we have to format the sum of this one. Right click on there, field setting, then for name number format, here we will change that one. Okay, so in this way we will solve question number 7 step by step. In question number 7, we have to format the sum of rental price as accounting number format with 0 decimal place and enter the custom names total rent collected. Same way we will solve question number 8 up to question number 20 step by step. Okay, so in today's video we have discussed Exp25 Excel chapter 05 ML2 apartments. In start we discussed the description of project, then we move toward grade report, and we have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have solved first 7 questions, so it means half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I'm available. I will solve and you will get A grade 100% marks. But remember that your file will be ready in next 1 hour and your result will be 100% and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Tableau project, Power BI project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I'm available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks. Remember that we have solved almost half of assignment. That name is Exp25 Excel Chapter 5 ML2 Apartments. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.